Hey guys, so I'm really happy to show you our improved first-time user experience when registering. And if you're someone who's new to the platform, you can just visit bitbybit.dev. And on our homepage, you see now this huge image carousel with featured projects, all designed on BitByBit. And you have now this big sign up button here that makes it clear that you should begin here. And if I click it, I'm being redirected to this sign up page where I have to agree to the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and I need to indicate that I'm 18 years old or older. And you can choose to accept our newsletter, which I do advise. If you want to receive some news about the platform and improvements, then this is the way to go. And you also need to pick a unique username to yourself. So I'll just pick BitBit as my public username, and I'll pick Google for logging in. So when I'm done, I'm being redirected to a new page where you can create your first project and a script in one place. So we will name the project title test, description, and the script title will be test 1. And I'll pick read as my coding editor. And I'll just say, okay, let's start coding. So now the project gets created, the script gets created, and I'm going to be redirected directly to the editor where you already see some default components laid out to me. And I will just go ahead and click run. So this is what we need to do. And yeah, we see we have this hello world 3D text on the screen with my public username in there automatically. And so this is quite nice, right? You can play immediately with the script. You can say that you want to say that you will use your real name, which is Matas in my case. And you see that script recomputed automatically. And now I have my name written here. I can also go ahead and change, for example, direction of the text to be facing different vector, and now you see that my name is shifted. So yeah, this is fun. You can play immediately with some code, and also now you get this project management panel directly in the editor, so you don't need to leave the editor to edit your projects or create new scripts. You can do it all in here. And you can also just here say, okay, let's create a new script, and this time I'll create a TypeScript script. So I'll be using TypeScript programming language to code. I'll just say start coding. And now the script is being created. And you see that new code has been put in the editor. And if I click run, voila, exactly the same thing happened, right, as before. Now we have again, hello world, BitBit written, and that 3D model was created by this code here. So you can change it. You can say that you want to have your own name, Matas. You can hit run. And yeah, this way you get to experience really fast the 3D environment, the relationship between the code, the editors, and yeah, this is just removing friction from your registration process. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a few things about BitByBit, and let's see each other in the next videos. Cheers guys.